Hold on to your tissues. A sneeze can zoom out of your nose at a whopping 100 miles per hour. Yep, you heard that right. When you sneeze, your body is launching a full-scale, high-speed attack to clear out your airways. That's faster than some roller coasters, and way quicker than your average car. But here's the kicker. This rapid reflex doesn't just liberate your nose, it spreads germs like wildfire. So next time you feel that tickle, remember to cover up. Your sneeze is practically a rocket disguised as a health mechanism. And that's just one of the many mind-blowing facts about our incredible bodies. Want to discover more? Hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to Sam for your daily dose of health enlightenment. Stay curious, stay healthy.